While deer hunting in Hell's Canyon, Team TMT was lucky enough to meet a great family and witness 16-year-old Kendall harvest a beautiful Hell's Canyon mule deer doe. This was Kendall's second deer, her first deer being a beautiful buck shot with her Uncle Chris in 2014. The footage you are about to see starts off quickly. The doe is concealed behind the trees and brush to the right of the screen. Keep your eyes on the second deer that runs out.
Oh, there's two of them. One's coming right out.
Oh, look at that.
She got it.
She got it.
She got it. Yep. Staggering downhill backwards.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Woo! Hell yeah.